President Emmerson Mnangagwa arrived on Thursday evening in Eswatini for what officials are calling a landmark double celebration, but critics are already questioning the timing and relevance of the visit amid ongoing domestic challenges. Sanabena Mash Kubranyi Wachizi Mnangagwa's Eswatini trip sparks outrage over priorities. And subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipira Mnangagwa kwa mchinzi. Mnangagwa is set to join regional leaders in festivities marking the Eswatini 3C 40 years on the throne and his 58th birthday at Somhlolo National Stadium. While the event has been framed as a major regional gathering, observers argue it highlights a growing gap between leadership priorities and pressing economic concerns back home. Eyewitnesses describe a high-level reception at King Mswati 3 International Airport, where Mnangagwa was welcomed by Zimbabwe's ambassador to Eswatini Victor Madanda, Eswatini Prime Minister Russell Lamini, and senior security officials. However, some observers dismissed the elaborate reception as an unnecessary pomp. This kind of extravagance sends the wrong message when citizens are struggling, one regional analyst said. Leaders seem more focused on ceremonial appearances than real solutions. Doma developments anabuda pangwa ino chiona watu wakumana wanofaiwa wanotandaniswa au Eswatini. Pina comment section medu za vungura enyi watu kulipa mzuri kuchitiko ichi. Usa subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.